Hello friends, what is public notice and why is it so important before you issue a public notice before you buy any sorts of properties? It's very important for the reason why, because you will call upon all the interested parties within a span of let's say a fortnight or 4 weeks or 1 week, or if it's urgency then within 3 days or so, so that calling upon all the interested parties whomsoever have generated any type of interest in that particular property, created an interest, that means they have entered into agreements of sale or rental or lease agreements or some kind of business transaction they have done pertaining to that subject property. If at all there are any claimants, legal heirs or anybody whom the owner is not disclosing to you, so those all those people will have to come along with the proof of documents to your lawyer's office, to your advocate's office, within a span of a fortnight or 3 days, as I told you, so that to prove their claims. If there are any legal genuine claimants, you will either try to settle with them, or else, like, if nobody turns up, then you can go ahead with the purchase of the property. Later on, if somebody comes, then you will have this proof that you have already given a public notice and no claims will be entertained thereafter. So it will safeguard your interest. Otherwise, if you buy a litigation property, there is a doctrine of lis pendens as per the Transfer of Properties Act, section 52. Any property you purchase during the pendency of any list, that is a case, a civil suit, original suit in that particular jurisdiction of courts, then that sale will become invalid or null and void in the eye of law. So therefore you have to be very careful. Owner will sell you a property without disclosing that there is a list or a case pertaining to that, or there are any other legal hires, and you will fall into a trap. You will purchase it and builder will sell it and he will abscond to some other countries or wherever he wishes. But end of the day you will be in trouble, fighting out the litigation, spending lakhs and crores of money on your litigation for the entire life, because every civil case it will take at least 20 to 30 years. That is the minimum span until you finish off with 4 to 5 courts, and at least 3 or 4 appeals will go on. So the entire span you will be investing on this particular aspect, it will be a grave loss for you. So better beware while you purchase any property. Don't be penny wise and pound foolish. Always issue a public notice before you purchase any property. Thank you, friends.